Mirpur Khas, a vibrant city in the Sindh province of Pakistan, is a place where the past and present coexist in a harmonious blend. This city, with its rich history and cultural heritage, offers a unique glimpse into the soul of Sindh. As you wander through its bustling streets, you can feel the pulse of a city that has thrived for centuries, adapting and evolving with the times. Mirpur Khas is an oasis of green in a land often painted in shades of gold. The lush landscapes and verdant fields are a testament to the city's agricultural prowess. Here, the land is fertile and the crops are abundant thanks to the nurturing embrace of the Indus River. The green fields stretch as far as the eye can see, a sight that fills the heart with a sense of peace and tranquility. Situated around 200 kilometers east of Karachi, Mirpur Khas is easily accessible yet feels like a world away from the hustle and bustle of the metropolis. The journey to this green haven is a scenic one, with the landscape gradually changing from urban sprawl to serene countryside. As you approach Mirpur Khas, the air becomes fresher and the scenery more picturesque. The city stands as a testament to the enduring relationship between humans and nature. The farmers of Mirpur Khas have mastered the art of agriculture, working in harmony with the land to produce bountiful harvests. Their hands, weathered by years of toil, plant the seeds that will grow into the crops that sustain the region. This symbiotic relationship is the backbone of Mirpur Khas's economy and culture. Known as the City of Mangoes, Mirpur Khas holds a special place in the heart of Sindh. The mangoes grown here are renowned for their sweetness and flavor, attracting connoisseurs from far and wide. During the mango season, the air is filled with the intoxicating aroma of ripe mangoes, and the local markets are a riot of color and activity. The mangoes of Mirpur Khas are not just a fruit, they are a symbol of the city's agricultural heritage and pride. Its fertile lands, nourished by the mighty Indus River, have been a cradle of agriculture for centuries. The river's waters bring life to the fields, ensuring that the crops are healthy and plentiful. The sight of the Indus River flowing through the fertile lands of Mirpur Khas is a reminder of the natural bounty that sustains the city and its people. The city's history is intertwined with the ebb and flow of the Indus, its fortunes rising and falling with the river's bounty. The ancient ruins and historical landmarks that dot the landscape are a testament to the city's rich past. These sites, steeped in history, offer a glimpse into the lives of those who lived here centuries ago, their stories etched into the stones and the land. The Indus River, with its changing water levels and seasonal variations, has always been a vital part of life in Mirpur Khas. The river's ebb and flow dictate the rhythms of the city, influencing everything from agriculture to daily life. Boats glide along its waters, carrying goods and people, a reminder of the river's enduring importance to the region. Mirpur Khas invites you to experience the harmony of a land where tradition meets progress. The city is a blend of old and new, with modern buildings standing alongside traditional houses. The streets are alive with the sounds of local festivals and parades, a celebration of the city's vibrant culture and heritage. Here, the past and present coexist in a delicate balance, each enriching the other. The aroma of ripe mangoes fills the air, a sensory delight that is uniquely Mirpur Khas. The sight of people picking mangoes from the trees and the baskets full of the golden fruit in the market is a testament to the city's agricultural abundance. The mangoes are not just a crop, they are a symbol of the city's identity and pride. The city is a sensory delight, a place where the past whispers through ancient monuments. These historical sites, surrounded by lush green landscapes, offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. As you explore these ancient ruins, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, a reminder of the city's rich history and cultural heritage. Mirpur Khas is not just a city, it is a living, breathing testament to the enduring spirit of Sindh. Mirpur Khas is synonymous with mangoes. This region, located in the heart of Sindh, Pakistan, is renowned for its mango orchards that stretch as far as the eye can see. The fertile soil and favorable climate create the perfect conditions for mango cultivation, making Mirpur Khas a mango paradise. The region's orchards burst forth with an astonishing variety of this delectable fruit. From the early morning dew-kissed mangoes to the sun-ripened ones, each mango tells a story of nature's bounty and the dedication of the farmers who nurture them. From the Sindri to the Chonsa, each variety boasts its own unique flavor and aroma, captivating the senses with their sweet, juicy flesh. The Sindri mango, known for its large size and rich taste, is a favorite among locals and visitors alike. The Chonsa, with its distinct sweetness and smooth texture, is often considered the king of mangoes. These mangoes tantalize taste buds around the world, making their way to international markets where they're celebrated for their exceptional quality. Whether enjoyed fresh, blended into smoothies, or used in desserts, Mirpur Khas mangoes are a true delight. The mango season, stretching from May to August, transforms Mirpur Khas into a bustling hub of activity. Markets overflow with vibrant displays of mangoes, and the air is filled with the sweet scent of ripe fruit. Farmers work tirelessly to harvest and transport their precious cargo, ensuring that each mango reaches its destination in perfect condition. Farmers carefully tend to their orchards, ensuring a bountiful harvest. They inspect each tree, prune branches, and monitor the growth of the fruit with meticulous care. The process of picking mangoes is a labor of love, requiring skill and patience to select only the ripest and juiciest fruits. Beyond mangoes, the fertile land of Mirpur Khas nurtures a diverse range of crops. The region's agricultural landscape is a patchwork of green fields, each dedicated to a different type of produce. This diversity ensures that the local economy thrives year-round, providing sustenance and livelihood to countless families. Wheat, cotton, sugarcane and vegetables flourish in the rich alluvial soil deposited by the Indus. The wheat fields sway gently in the breeze, the cotton plants burst with fluffy white bolls, and the sugarcane stands tall and proud. Vegetable patches add a splash of color to the landscape, showcasing the region's agricultural abundance. The agricultural abundance of this region is a testament to the hard work of its people. From dawn till dusk, farmers toil in the fields, planting, tending, and harvesting their crops. Their efforts ensure that the land continues to yield its bounty season after season. Their deep connection to the land is evident in the care and dedication they pour into their fields. Each seed planted, each crop tended, and each harvest gathered is a reflection of their unwavering commitment to their heritage and their future. Mirpur Khas is not just a land of mangoes, it is a land of resilience, hard work, and endless possibilities. Mirpur Khas experiences a typical arid climate with scorching summers and mild winters. The sun beats down relentlessly during the summer months, sending temperatures soaring well above 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Life adapts to the heat, with activities slowing down during the hottest hours of the day. As the sun begins to set, a welcome respite arrives, and the city comes alive with activity. Winters, on the other hand, are mild and pleasant, with temperatures rarely dipping below 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This contrast in seasons dictates the rhythm of life in Mirpur Khas. It influences agricultural patterns, cultural celebrations, and even the pace of daily routines. The landscape surrounding Mirpur Khas is a fascinating blend of arid plains and lush greenery. The Thar Desert, stretching towards the east, paints a picture of stark beauty. Here, life adapts to the harsh conditions. Cacti and thorny bushes dot the landscape, their resilient forms a testament to nature's ingenuity. Yet life finds a way to thrive even in this challenging environment. Chinkara gazelles, desert foxes, and a variety of bird species have made the desert their home. In contrast, the areas irrigated by the Indus River burst forth with life. The green fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, stand in stark contrast to the arid landscape just beyond. Venturing into the rural areas surrounding Mirpur Khas offers a glimpse into a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for generations. The serene landscapes, dotted with lush green fields and quaint village homes, paint a picture of simplicity and harmony with nature. The air is filled with the sounds of chirping birds and the rustling of leaves, creating a symphony that is both calming and invigorating. Here, traditional farming practices are still very much alive. The fields are meticulously tended to by farmers who have inherited their skills from their ancestors. These practices are not just about growing crops, they are a testament to a deep-rooted connection with the land and a respect for the natural cycles of the earth. Farmers work their land using methods passed down through centuries. They rely on hand tools and age-old techniques that have stood the test of time. This way of farming is labor-intensive, but it ensures that the soil remains fertile and the produce is of the highest quality. The dedication and hard work of these farmers are evident in the bountiful harvests they reap. Bullock carts laden with produce trundle along dusty paths, a common sight in these parts. These carts, drawn by sturdy oxen, are a vital mode of transportation in the villages. They carry everything from freshly harvested crops to essential supplies, connecting the rural communities with the markets and towns beyond. The spirit of community is strong in these villages. People come together to work, celebrate, and support each other. Whether it's during the planting season or the harvest, the entire village pitches in, making the work lighter and the bonds stronger. This sense of unity and cooperation is the backbone of rural life in Mirpur Khas. People gather in the evenings to share stories, their laughter echoing through the fields. These gatherings are a time for relaxation and connection, where tales of the past are recounted and dreams for the future are shared. The warmth of these interactions is palpable, creating a sense of belonging and continuity. The warmth and hospitality of the people of Mirpur Khas are as legendary as the mangoes they cultivate. These mangoes, known for their exceptional sweetness and flavor, are a source of pride for the villagers. Harvesting them is a communal activity filled with joy and celebration as everyone comes together to gather the fruits of their labor. Their doors are always open to guests, who are welcomed with open arms and hearts filled with genuine warmth. Visitors are treated to the best of what the village has to offer, from delicious home-cooked meals to stories of the land and its people. This hospitality is not just a tradition, it is a way of life that embodies the true spirit of Mirpur Khas. While Mirpur Khas is renowned for its agricultural bounty, the region also boasts remarkable natural attractions. Hingol National Park, located a few hours' drive from the city, is a treasure trove of biodiversity. This sprawling park encompasses a diverse range of ecosystems, from rugged mountains and canyons to coastal plains and mangrove forests. Here you can encounter a fascinating array of wildlife, including leopards, ibexes, and a variety of bird species. The park's centerpiece, the Hingol River, carves its way through the landscape, creating breathtaking gorges and canyons. Hingol National Park offers a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Mirpur Khas is steeped in history and culture. The region's rich heritage is reflected in its music, dance, and handicrafts. Sindhi folk music, with its soulful melodies and rhythmic beats, has the power to transport listeners to another time and place. The dances of Sindh, such as the energetic Jhumar and the graceful Dhamal, are a vibrant expression of the region's cultural identity. Local artisans create exquisite handicrafts, their skills passed down through generations. From intricate embroidery to colorful pottery, these creations showcase the artistic talent that thrives in Mirpur Khas. Mirpur Khas is a city where nature's bounty and human endeavor intertwine to create a vibrant tapestry of life. From its sprawling mango orchards to the rugged beauty of the Thar Desert, the region offers a sensory feast for visitors. The warmth of its people, the richness of its culture, and the enduring legacy of its history make Mirpur Khas a truly special destination. As you wander through the mango orchards, inhale the sweet aroma of ripe fruit, and witness the timeless traditions of rural life, you'll understand why Mirpur Khas is rightly called the green heart of Sindh.